You see, the most important part in any industry is its people, and it is essentially true for hospitality also. So, keeping these sentiments in mind, Hotel and Restaurant Association of Eastern India, under the leadership of Mr. Sudesh Podar, our Honorable President, HRI has at this time, in the face of the rampaging pandemic, we have decided to vaccinate the employees of our member establishment as well as other establishments, those who are directly or indirectly associated with the hospitality. This is with the support of the government of West Bengal. We are thankful to Madam Chief Minister, and I would like to express through Honorable Minister Tourism, we would like to express our gratitudes, heartfelt gratitudes to Madam for supporting our this initiative and also consenting to reopen our establishment after vaccinating our people. You see, this will be a great relief for the entire industry also, which is at the moment cash strapped, and also it will be a relief for the workers, those who are work staff. So it is a welcome decision, and with the lighting of the lamp, Honorable Minister has lit the lamp, and with the lighting of the lamp, it is the essence of this moment is being captured very nicely into the lighting of this lamp, because the lamps is the hope and life. It is also the light and prosperity. It is sign of life and prosperity. I thank all of you, those who are present here, for your constant support to HRI, and also we would like to. HRI also, you see, we depend on you lot of things, and we hope that you will be giving your cooperation accordingly in the future also in our endeavors. Thank you. And another thing which is very important, it has come to our notice. এটা আমাদের আমরা খবর পেয়েছি এবং নিউজ পেপারেও আমরা দেখছি যে কিছু কিছু এস্টাবলিশমেন্টরা এখন অপারেশন চালু করে দিয়েছে, which we have not liked it, we have not allowed it, but we will request them not to start till the official notification has been issued. So all the thanks to everybody who is present here, and special thanks to Government of West Bengal. Thank you. I would like to now invite Honorable Tourism Minister to speak.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon to my friends from print, electronic and virtual media who are present here. I have our Principal Secretary, Nandini Chakraborty, with us, Managing Director of West Bengal Tourism Development Corporation, Mr. Kaushik Bhattacharya, with us, Mr. Sudesh Podar, and my friends and associates in this sector. It's the most historical day during the pandemic, and it's a great pleasure for me to be here. I think all of us, we know, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, the way she is fighting from 2020-24 March, when the first lockdown was announced, until now, the way she is fighting and giving her individual remedies to overcome this pandemic situation. It is really, we are proud that we have a leader like Mamata Banerjee. As far as this vaccination exercise, we have a target to vaccinate around 6 lakh people who are associated directly with the hospitality sector. Right now, we have a target around 1.84 lakhs, and rest will be covered as soon as possible. I think once again our Honorable Chief Minister has proved that what Bengal thinks today, India thinks tomorrow. As far as the hospitality sector is concerned, the way she is cooperating and she is advising, the way she is guiding us, as far as the tourism sector across India is concerned, we, the West Bengal Tourism Department, is taking this kind of initiative for the first time in India.